So the sides of curb ramps, more commonly known as flares, were provided, so they're not required. They should not be steeper than 1 in 10, which is 10%. And it's these things here. The reason it says were provided, these are not intended for people with mobility aids. These are intended for ambulatory folks. So making sure there's not a tripping hazard, that we don't just come walking and then it just drops off. So for people with mobility devices, the route is what's shown here and the ramp, not the flares. There's some exceptions to this slope here, but also the way that you measure this slope, you put it here along the curb edge on the highest point, and then you get your reading there.